Whispergen, the micro-cogeneration unit we manufacture at EHE, is based on Stirling engine technology, the idea of which is to generate both electric and thermal power in the home. The main feature of Whispergen is that it has a 4-piston Stirling engine. The pistons move up and down, and this movement is then converted into rotary movement, which drives an alternator to produce electric power. The longitudinal movement of the pistons is caused by the nitrogen inside them expanding and being compressed. It expands due to the heat generated in the combustion chamber, and it is then compressed, making cold water circulate around the lower part. This water is then used to generate domestic hot water and for heating. The key aspect of micro-cogeneration is energy efficiency. In comparison with conventional power stations, we can see that a conventional power station wastes around 50% of the primary energy in the generation and transfer processes. However, in the case of micro-cogeneration, we ourselves generate the power, and we succeed in using over 90% of this primary energy. The electricity network operators are very interested in these types of technologies, as they enable greater flexibility and better adaptation to electricity demand curves than the systems they use at present. Whispergen's main advantage compared to a conventional condensing boiler is that it generates 1 kilowatt of electric power. In the future, we expect to develop this product for appliances with 3 kilowatt power generation. Whispergen offers clear advantages. It helps optimize and generate resources for society, and most importantly, the end user can see how their electricity bills are much cheaper while they are reducing carbon emissions. It consumes and produces power at the same time. Whispergen is a compact product about the size of a dishwasher. It's also very reliable, as it is backed by over 15 years of development. And above all, it's very quiet, which means it can be installed in the home without making any troublesome noise. Whispergen's capacity to generate electric power in the home contributes decisively to the concept of distributed power generation, which is one of the strategies being used to increase energy efficiency and sustainable power generation in our society.